The BougeRV 200W Bifacial solar panel enhances solar output by capturing energy from both sides, making it an efficient choice for maximizing sunlight absorption. Its innovative design allows it to efficiently harness sunlight from various angles without the need for constant repositioning, ensuring consistent energy production throughout the day. Constructed with corrosion-resistant aluminum, this solar panel is well suited for use in diverse environments, including snowy or sandy areas, and promises durability and longevity. Featuring a high-efficiency 10 busbar cell design, the BougeRV solar panel achieves a remarkable 23% conversion rate, delivering substantial power while maintaining a compact size. The solar panel's user-friendly design includes pre-drilled holes and a waterproof junction box for straightforward installation, making it accessible for both novices and experienced users. BougeRV provides exceptional customer support with a 10-year technical assistance promise, ensuring users can confidently rely on their solar solutions for years to come.